everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is next kind of question in the chapter progressions, that is geometric progressions. GP is called as geometric progressions. Okay, here also same like arithmetic progressions, the first term is called as A. Okay, we will find the common ratio R. There we have D, right, the common difference. Here we have common ratio. Common ratio is nothing but any term whatever you take divided by previous term. There you did previous term minus the first term. Okay, so previous term. So according to this question, anything you can take over here. First I'm taking these two. So any term, the first term over here, I mean if you are taking these two, this term, the from behind, this term minus this one, 5 by 2 divided by 5. So this is nothing but 5 cancel, 1 by 2. This is called. Similarly, if we take any other sequence like minus 7 by 3, 7 by 9. So the common, it continues. So the common ratio R can be given as, if you take this two, minus 7 by 3 divided by minus 7. So this is nothing but 7 gets cancelled, minus cancel. So this will be 1 by 3. Okay, so this is R. So this is how you will find in geometric progressions the R value. Okay, now I will show you one more problem which is generally asked. He will not ask you this easy kind of question, something a little bit difficult. We'll see in the next problem. So here something is given like this. Okay, so just first write the given conditions. Given is 4, 2, 1 and the answer value somewhere it is equal to 127 by 16. Now he is telling at what term you will be getting this 127 by 16. That is what the question is. Okay, how to find this is in GPs, the sum of the terms in GP. Okay, the formula is S is equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. This is the sum of the terms finding formula for GP. Okay, for AP it was A plus n minus 1 into D. S is equal to, this was for AP, I mean arithmetic progressions. Okay, so now we will see at what the sum value he has given as 127 by 16. Okay, A value is the first term, R we will find out. Okay, any term divided by previous term, R value will get. So we have to find this n value over here. Okay, now we will see how to do this. Okay, from the given condition, first we'll write what all things we have. A is 4, R is 2 divided by 4, right? That is 1s are 2s are, R is 1 by 2, or you can write 1 by 2. Here also any two terms you can take. So R is 1 by 2 and S value you have 127 by 16. So substituting all these in the above equation. Okay, so you will get it as S is 127 by 16 is equal to A is 4, 1 minus R is 1 by 2 whole power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so here what we'll get is this 1 minus 1 by 2 is 2 minus 1 by 2. That is, I'll just rewrite again, 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n divided by 2 minus 1 by 2, this one. So this is continuing. Okay, 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2 n divided by, this is 1 by 2. So solving this 2, when it will go to the numerator, it will multiply over there. So this becomes 8. Alright, so it can be written as 127 by 16 is equal to 2 going over here, 8 into 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n. Alright, I think it's clear. Now this one and this one can be multiplied over here. So this becomes 127 by 128. 16 into 8 is 128. 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n. Okay, so next we have this, right? So this is nothing but, if you take this 1 over this side, it becomes 127 by 128 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole power n. Okay, this is nothing but, see this one, 127 minus 1 into 128. 128 by 128 is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole power n. So 127 minus 128 is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 by 128 minus 1 by 2 whole power n. This minus gets cancelled. Okay, so this is nothing but 128. If you take the LCM, I mean 2 table for this, okay, if you want it in the form of 2 power something, you need to get. Okay, so this is 264, 232, 216, 28, 24, 22. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means it becomes 2 power 7. 2 power 7 is 128. Alright. 2 power 7 is 128. So rewriting over here, 1 by 2 power 7 is equal to, this become 1 by 2 power n. Right. So from this, these both are same, right? So this n value is nothing but n is equal to 7. So the 7 terms make the amount, the question he asked, right? Make the amount 127 by 16 at 7 terms. If you add 7 terms, you will be getting 127 by 16 here. Okay, I think this is clear. Generally, he'll be asking this kind of questions frequently in the exams. Next, we'll see another kind of question, different question. What he'll ask in the exams is, first term and last terms of GP are given, that is 3 and 324. He is telling the sum of the series, Sn value also is given. So he is telling to find the CR value. So okay, so the first term given condition is A is equal to, this is 4. So A is 4. Okay, and the last term value is, 324. Okay, and the sum of the terms also is given as 384. Okay, here the nth term of GP, the formula is Tn is equal to Arn minus 1. Okay, so this value is the last term, nth term value he is given as 324. Okay, that is Arn minus 1 is equal to 324. A is 4. 4 into Rn minus 1 is equal to 324. You can write this as 4 into R power n by R minus 1 is R. This becomes again the same thing. Okay, so into 324. So Rn by R is equal to, this when it comes over here, division 4 by 4. This becomes 4 ones are 481. So Rn value is 81 into R. 81 into R. So we have this now. Rn value we have. We will substitute this value in the sum of the terms in GP is given as S into A into Rn minus 1 by R minus 1. So S value we have as 384 is equal to, for Rn value we got it as 81R minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Okay, so this 4, it when comes to this side, it becomes division by 4 is equal to 81 R minus 1 by R minus 1. So this means 4 ones are 4, 96. Okay, 96 into this one again we'll do here. 96 minus R1 is equal to 81 R minus 1. This is 96 R minus 96 is equal to 81 R minus 1. Taking these R here and the constants over here, it becomes 96 R minus 81 R is equal to minus 1 plus 96. This is 95. 96 minus 81 is 15 R. So R value is 95 by 15. That is nothing but 19 by 3. So R is 19 by 3. So this is how you will find the common ratio terms in GP. All kinds of questions I have completed in this. Okay, I think this is clear. Thank you.